Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about GoHighLevel for call center. Grow your call center business. Join thousands of other marketers to learn how they're being successful and growing their businesses with HighLevel and how you can do the same too. The HighLevel platform is everything that agencies need to manage their clients' leads, websites, funnels, calendars, and many other services that are needed to maintain a customer. How can call center benefit from GoHighLevel? A huge benefit to the customers brings the ability to place powerful, cost-effective solutions in the hands of call center specialists who can customize it to the needs of their clients and show results with increased accuracy and visibility is very powerful. With GoHighLevel, call center specialists now have the ability to automate at a whole new level, building forms, surveys, websites, landing pages, membership site, and more. Nurture leads into customers. The backbone of HighLevel is what you are able to accomplish after you capture the lead. Our multi-channel follow-up campaigns allow you to automate engaging follow-ups and capture engaged responses from your leads. HighLevel allows you to connect with your leads through Phone Connect, voicemail drops, SMS, MMS, emails, and even Facebook Messenger. The lowest GoHighLevel pricing plan costs $97 a month. The other and the most popular GoHighLevel pricing plan is called Unlimited, costing $297 a month. And the most expensive pricing plan is GoHighLevelWhite Label Mobile App Custom SAP Upgrade, which costs $497 a month. The main differences between the plans are the number of accounts and custom app and other features allocated per month. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. GoHighLevel is the first ever all-in-one platform that will give you the tools, support, and resources you need to succeed with your agency. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about GoHighLevel and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.